So after this long lockdown, finally there is Diwali coming up upcoming week, and I know that everybody is excited to get decked up on Diwali because of course why not, Diwali is the festival most of the Indians and we all love to dress up, to do the makeup and everything. So here is a makeup look, like basically an eye makeup look which I have created for you guys to flaunt this Diwali, and this is very unique, very subtle, very glamorous, and it's very easy to do as well. Even if you don't know how to do makeup or eye makeup, if you follow each and every step in this video, you will definitely be able to recreate this look, and I would love to see all of your pictures with this look. And without wasting any further time, let's get into the video, because this eye makeup is like something which I am in love with, and I will definitely try it out myself as well in this Diwali. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Miss Harsha. Happy Diwali to all of you in advance. My name is Harsha and I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a lifestyle influencer, makeover, bridal and image consultant, an aromatherapist and a cosmetologist. In this video, I'll be showing you to create this eye makeup look, and if you don't want to miss on anything, watch the video till the end so that you can exactly master the look and actually create the way I have created and with a flawless finish. Before moving ahead to the main trick which will actually give you that extra glam look because of the uniqueness of the product, let's warm up the eyelid little bit so that it can give you that depth, and you will look like everything will be in a sync, and everything whatever we do next will make a lot of sense. So let's warm up the eyelid little bit by contouring and adding some little bit of warm colors to it. So first I will be taking, this is the palette, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So what I'll do, I'll just take this color, sandalwood, over here, and I will just blend that in the crease line of my eyelid. I have chosen this color because this is very close to the color of the shadow which gets created on the crease line of my eyelid. So just to enhance that area, I'm just using this sandalwood color over here like this. I'll just blend it out in the outer edges so that I don't get any kind of harsh lines over there. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just take a little bit darker shade, which is this henna shade over here, this one, and I'll just add that into the outer corner of my eyes, and I'll gradually blend it and take it into the inner corners, and I'll make sure everything is blended well. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And now what I'll do, I'll just take another brush which is like a flat brush, and I'll take this shade over here which is kind of a shimmery shade and which will match perfectly with any of the outfits. And I'll not put a lot of shimmer, okay? I'm just putting it just to give that pop into the eyes and adding that pop in the center of the eyelid. So I'll just blend that. Okay, we will not take this shimmery shade till outside. We'll just make it till like 70-80% of the eyelid, starting from the inner corners, and we'll just dab and press and use the blending motions to blend everything together. Okay, it's done. So now what I'll do, I'll just take the first brush, which was this fluffy blending brush, and just move it into the outer corners just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines or unblended kind of situation going on, and everything is blended together. Yeah, so till now it's done. I hope you were able to understand what I have done. Now comes the interesting part. So the product which I'm using now is this Moon Lava eyeshadow. It's a liquid creamy eyeshadow from Color Bar. So this I bought around a year back when it was launched, but I never used it because somehow in the entire kit it was just lost. So now I'm using it, and Diwali is the perfect time to use this because it has that glimmer, it has that quirkiness, little bit of it has a dual tone finish as well. So there is a little bit of pink, little bit of bronze, little bit of greenish pigments. So So I guess that's a perfect blend to actually flaunt on the Diwali occasion. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow, and the trick to apply this eyeshadow is it comes with an applicator which is like this, which looks like a lip gloss applicator, but you don't have to, just go like this, you have to take a thin brush and take that, like eyeshadow in the brush and then start lining it. That will give you a more nice finish altogether and not make any kind of clumps or the product getting very clumpy and messy all over your eyelid and kind of looks very like you have put too much. So yeah, let's get started with that. So I have taken this angled liner brush for this. I guess this will be the perfect one. Don't use a thin eyeliner brush like this, because this will not actually, it will take a lot of time taking the products and applying it. So I will suggest taking an angled liner brush. Okay, by the way, I'm also doing it for the first time, so let's see how it turns out. So I'm just using my sense and my experience to understand what will work best. So just a little bit of product I have taken on the brush, and first you have to apply that on the middle part of your eyelid and then gradually move ahead towards the inner corners, because till then the maximum product will get deposited into the other areas. So by the way, this brush is working very good till now. Okay, I'm not dragging it too much, okay, otherwise that pigment won't sit well. And these kind of products dry up very quickly, though this product is not drying up too fast, which makes it little user friendly, especially for the beginners. So I have applied till here. Now what I'll do, I'll just take a little bit of the product on just the edges of the brush and I'll just place it like this. I'll kind of create a stamp marking like this. I hope you can see. Okay, and then I'll take it from here and I'll blend it into the eyeliner in the inner and the middle part of the eyes. So till now I'm really liking the way it has turned out, and this is the first time I'm trying it out on camera. I haven't done this look before, so I'm equally excited like you guys how it will turn out. So this is how it looks, and I really feel, okay, let me come closer. So I really feel that this is really looking good, and if you are kind of bored with the black eyeliners, this is a really good option. You can try it out, and this is perfect for the festivals because it's not too glowy and shimmery and glittery that will draw your anyone's attentions only towards your eyes, but still it will draw the attention in a very subtle way and in a very proportionate way. So this is like something which is actually complementing the entire look as well and syncing well together. So this is the kind of dupatta I'm wearing, and this is going and kind of matching. The overall look is actually looking on point. Now what I'll do, I'll not put a black liner on the lid. This is all what I would like to keep it, but I'll definitely put a black kajal and then smoke it out in the lower lash lines to make it more look dramatic and that festival Indian touch into the festival. I guess that won't hurt anybody, and that is something which we all look forward to. So let me complete the lower lash line and then I'll show you how exactly I blend that kajal pencil. So this is the kajal pencil which I'm using from Nykaa. This is I Am Black Kajal pencil, and what I'll do, I'll just apply the kajal pencil into the lower lash line. So now I'll take a small blending and smudging brush like this, which is stiff and a little bit of flexible as well. And I will be taking a dark eyeshadow like this. So this is a cocoa eyeshadow over here. So what I'll do, I'll just dab, I'll not drag like this, okay? I'll just dab the eyeshadow and I will blend that into the lower lash line. So yeah, I've applied that brown eyeshadow and blended on the outer side of my lower lash line just to blend and soften that kajal pencil thing. So let me complete the entire eye makeup by applying the mascara, because without mascara no eye makeup is complete. So yeah, this is my one eye is looking, and I'll just complete my this eye and show you exactly how it looks like, entire full look, and I really hope that you like it too. Hi, so this is how this looks. I have completed my both the eyes and I am personally loving it. I know I have already said that quite a lot, but I'm really excited to know how you guys found it. So this is the entire look, and can you see that bling on my eyelid, and still it is not looking too much. This is a kind of look, you know, nobody will comment you like, you know, how much makeup you have done on Diwali and something like that. You can also flaunt this in upcoming wedding season. This is a very subtle and nice eye makeup, and this is something which you can do very easily if you watch the video. You know, I would suggest watch the video 2-3 times so that you can exactly learn how to do this, and I just love this. I hope that you found the look really helpful and I was able to help you to create a look in this Diwali, a little different kind of look rather than, you know, that old usual black eyeliners and coal eye pencils and black smoky eyes. I thought of, you know, 2020 has come up with so many different and full of surprises, so why not, you know, beat that unexpected surprises in a glamorous way by adding a little bit of glam and glitter onto the eyes and spread the sparkle all over, right? So this was all about this video, and I'll be coming up with more such videos in the near future. I'll be recreating one of the famous celebrities' bridal look also. I'll not disclose the name, but yes, you have to stay tuned to actually watch that as well. So this is my Instagram handle, where I share all the content related to beauty, fashion, and all the bridal work and whatever I do in my life, I post there. And if you want to stay updated with all the surprise videos and all the videos which I upload on my channel, I share everything on my stories on Instagram so that you don't miss out on anything and any of my content. So till then, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and do like the video, and do definitely share with your friends and family members. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and happy Diwali to all of you, and may this new year bring so much of joy, prosperity and happiness into your lives.